Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to fix back button that is not working on your Android phone. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. And now once you are here on the settings, you could just simply use the search bar, and over here just simply search for a gesture. So guys, you will have multiple options when it comes to gesture. So the most important thing is scrolling down and try to find navigation gesture over here. Now, over here, you should be able to see here navigation gesture. So make sure this is turned on. And you will also have navigation bar at the very bottom, which from here, you should be able to have an option as buttons, as you can see, or you could go for gestures over here. And if you want more options, tap on it, and you will have multiple options over here that you could customize your navigation bar. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.